Hey, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change settings on X to see NSFW. So for this one, I recommend you to use your preferred browsing system instead of X mobile application, because usually it just does not show you such functions and basically you're not able to even change something. So open x.com, log into your X account, and now in the top left you want to tap your profile picture, then scroll down to settings and privacy, find privacy and safety, go to content you see, and at the top this is the option that you are looking for that says display media that may contain sensitive content. So if you want to see this NSFW on your X feed, then you want to have this option enabled. So simply put, tick in this checkbox next to this option so that you could see sensitive content in your X feed. Additionally, let's go to search settings and at the top find option that says hide sensitive content. And when you search for something on X, in your search results you want to see this sensitive content, you want to have this option disabled. Yes, so that you could see this sensitive content in your X search results. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.